Hey, I'm Sona, a final year MBBS student, and in this video, I will be telling you subject-wise books that actually work in final year MBBS, especially if you are studying under Kerala University. Okay, first things first, never try to read everything from cover to cover. Focus on high-yield topics and previous year's questions, because what matters more is revision. With revision, you could write answers more smoothly and confidently, and you got limited time. So focus on revision than reading everything for the first time. So, starting off with surgery. Most of the professors recommend Bailey and Lau, but it's very difficult to reproduce the concepts from it in exams. So most of us use either SRB or Manipal. I personally prefer Manipal because it is easy to read and it got good diagrams. For pediatrics, go for OP Guide. It's a beautiful book. It's a book that everyone should read at least once during their MBBS. It's totally worth buying and reading. For Ops and Gynae, there are many books, but what most of us use and what I prefer is Sheila B for Ops and Lakshmi Seshadri for Gynec. Honestly, I'm in love with this Lakshmi Seshadri because of the beautiful tables that summarize everything. During revision, reading just the tables is enough. For orthopedics, go for Maheshwari. Don't waste much time here. Just focus on previous year's questions. For medicine, again there are many books, but for university exams, Archit Bolor is more than enough. And even easier way is watching Dr. Rahul Rajivsa's lectures. He is truly a lifesaver. He covers previous year's university questions in his video, which are absolutely worth watching. Make notes while watching the lectures and revise them again and again. That is enough. Medicine is vast, but his videos make it much easier. Next, for ENT, stick to Dhingra. It's an easy book to read and it's enough for university. For ophthalmology, we have Qurana, but it's not very smooth to read. So what I prefer and what I am doing is watching video lectures from Marrow or any other platform that you have. Watching videos can make the concepts clear and then try to read the book. For minor subjects, just watch video from any platform that you are using and focus on previous year's questions. Having PDFs for this minor subjects is more than enough. Don't buy too many books for minor subjects. I'm a final year student myself facing exam in the next 5 months, and everything in this video is purely my personal opinion. You can use whatever books you are comfortable with. And one last thing is, don't buy all the books immediately. First, find a book that suits you and go ahead and buy it. That's it. Bye bye, all the best, and we will survive this final year together.